Imagine why hish mohorigas of Ashti and Shakton shot and Majagober air cabbage all the door and seomra ranga boniha an chima and skull. So this week we're working on chapter 2 in the classroom and on the topic of school, the school. Agus fecamid gwil na pastí is tí rang ag obair sa seomra ranga lena múteoir agus tá siad lig Janu a lan ruddy, so we can see that all children are in the classroom with their teacher in the classroom agus tá siad lig Janu a lan ruddy. They're all doing lots of things. So Rahamid Fríd ar vokla nua, chimple and poster agus ag bun and poster. At the bottom of the poster we always practice our words in English as in reading, playing, listening and looking. I think this one's going to be or watching or looking at one of those. But Rahmat Fríd and poster Erduis August Falomwaj Arvokla Nua will learn our new words. So our first word of the week is Munchur, teacher. Our next word is Clarban, the whiteboard. Or and board der Gnevok, it's also known as the interactive whiteboard. There we have lower for our book. We have Revera, computer. We have Kofra for press. Whoops. We have Kofra. We have Caspan Louis or pencil case. And what I have here in my hand is just a pan Louis, a pencil. We have the clug, Eramala. We have the clock on the wall. We've also got Filtan, which is a folder. We have our Filtan Oberwalya, or homework folders. We have Crane, a crane, as crane boy. Dathna Shaktana is going to be, the colour of our week is going to be yellow. We have Ambuhal and Shin Tashe or Angasser and Shin, the boy, or Angasser, as you say in Donegal, the boy, Tashe Glev, he's reading. We have Excrive. Writing. We have ag éisteacht, listening, agus ag fecinch, watching. So seo ar vokla don seachtain, that's the words for the week. Agus fecamid go lan ruddy ar siúil sa seomra. We see that there's a lot of things happening in the classroom. Agus taobh wheat and seomra outside the classroom too. Tá pastí sa close ag imirch. Agus ag skipail, agus ag imirch pela, playing ball, and ag skipail skipping. Agus an cailín seo ag fecinch ama and then she's looking out the window. Ta angisa seo ag éisteach leis an revera, she's listening to the computer. Ta na buhal seo ta she ag dahu, he's painting. Agus an cailín seo ag paintail, painting. Agus ta she'd ag leave mata, they're reading on the mat. Agus ta she'd ag scríomh, they're writing. So seo iad na rudí tag tarlú, cén táime atá ar an clog, tá siad a dó clog, it's 2 o'clock, tá siad am dul an nawala, it's time to go home. Agus fecam go siad ag leave lower he, the reading books to Elfie is tí samala scola. We see that Elfie this week is hiding is tí samala scola glass. He's hiding in the green school bag. Agus our out on the seachtaine, our song of the week, boys and girls, is Ag Dul Ar Scoil, going to school. So Eishki and Ishton and Oren, and we'll go through the words.
Ag Dul Ar Scoil. Páistí óga ag dul ar scoil, búla bus, búla bus.
Páistí óga ag dul ar scoil, búla bus, búla bus. Little children, young children going to school, clap hands, clap hands.
Páistí óga ag dul ar scoil gach lá.
Ag dul ar scoil gach lá, going to school each day.
Páistí óga ag immert pella, búla bus, búla bus.
Páistí óga ag immert pella, young children playing football, búla bus, clap hands.
Páistí óga ag immert pella gach lá.
Gimmert pella gach lá, playing football each day.
Páistí óga ag hallóin, búla bus, búla bus. Páistí óga ag hallóin, ag
Páistí óga ag hallóin, eating their lunch,
hallóin gach lá. Páistí ag fágas lán bula bus. Páistí ag fágas lán ga glán.
Pastí óga ag fágail slán, saying goodbye, ag fágail slán gach saying goodbye each day. So we'll be practicing those naming verbs each day. And ag golfreach ar bhocla nua buncha leis an topic den school, learning our new words associated with the topic of school, and especially the naming verbs of ag léamh, ag scríomh, ag éisteacht, ag fecinch. Agus dach na seachtain na buí, céir déile tá buí sa seomra, ranga, what else is yellow there? Fecum budgel paint tá buí, fecum and green agus tá sé buí, the sun is yellow, fecum and trintan an mór that they're gníomh agus tá sé buí. I see the triangle on the board and it's yellow, agus tá and cratlach an sin the skeleton atá an cat busca pan Louis tá sé buí chumai, agus tá crane agus pan Louis buí an mór chumai. There's a crane and there is a crane and a yellow pencil on the table. So seo é don seachtain na fáisí tásúlagan go muna sé soltas an téama. I hope you enjoy the theme agus fólam do bhocla nua, learn your new words. Gur maigah.